I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong on Photoleap. So if you're seeing a message that says something went wrong in your Photoleap app, then the first steps to troubleshoot are usually to check your internet connection. So just swipe down and see if you are connected to a good internet. The next thing to do is to restart your app. Just type in Photoleap and open it. If you're seeing the message, then just close the app and restart it again. You also need to go to your app store right over here or your Play Store and type in Photoleap to check if you're up to the date of the latest app. So as you can see, there's an update. Just go ahead and tap on update and update your app. If that still doesn't work, then you can try clearing the app's cache and data. The most effective thing that you can do is to restart your device altogether. This will help you fix something went wrong problem in your Photoleap app. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.